Alright everyone, I hope you're all good today. This is a video that I've wanted to make for a while and I've had a few requests, so today let's dive into Google Play Points. Let's talk about how to register, how to earn points and how to spend the points that you earn and get money off your purchases. Also, if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll give away another free app that you can download from the Google Play Store to earn free Google Play credit. Google Play Points is a reward program where you earn points and rewards from the Google Play Store. Points are earned from in-app purchases, purchases of digital content and downloads from the Play Store. You are then able to spend these points on discount coupons, in-app items and Google Play credit. There is also a tiered scheme where the more you spend, the higher the tier, the better the rewards. To join the rewards program, you will need to live in one of the following countries. You will also need a computer or Android device that works with Google Play. Your account cannot be managed by a school or a parent. You'll also need a valid payment method, as well as a billing address that matches your Google Play country. In the Google Play Store, in the top right, if you click on your thumbnail and then select Play Points, you can then select Join for free to complete registration for the rewards program. At the base bronze tier, you earn 1 point per £1 or $1 spent. I'm sorry, but I don't know the conversion for other currencies. In the Play Points section of the store, it also shows you any games or apps that currently have special rates. These games currently give you 3 points per pound instead of 1 point per pound. It gives you bonus points for subscriptions, and down at the bottom, free points. All you need to do is install the game, then after 24 hours you're free to delete it and you get to keep the Play Points. If you click on the 3 dots in the top right corner and then select Points History, you can see points you have earned and spent, and as you can see, I have previously installed Marvel Snap, Star Wars and Angry Birds. I never opened the app, I earned my 5 free Play Points and then deleted the app from my device. Spending the points you have earned is really simple. Go to the Use section. This section has a long list of games, but you can also convert your points into Google Play credit. 100 points will give you £1 Google Play credit, 200 points will give you £2 Google Play credit, 500 points will give you £5 Google Play credit, and 1000 points you will get £10 of Google Play credit. I play Asphalt 9 and I always convert my points into coupons for the game, and they are better value than buying Google Play Store credit. 400 points converts into an £8 coupon, 750 points converts into a £15 coupon, and lastly 1000 points will convert into a £25 coupon. There are plenty of other games, so have a scroll through this section yourself and see if they have your favourite game. When you found the coupon you wish to buy, it's as simple as selecting it and agreeing to the purchase. Your Play Points are then converted into the coupon that you buy. In this example, I'm buying an £8 coupon for Asphalt 9. When I purchase a cashback in-game, the £8 voucher is applied, reducing my payment from £12.99 to £4.99. I also earn 15 Play Points for my purchase at a bonus rate of 3 points per £1 spent. There are 4 different tiers, and each tier gives you better rewards than the one below. The 4 tiers are Bronze, Silver, Gold and Platinum. Silver tier and upwards also gives you access to a weekly prize, which gives you free Google Play Points. As I'm currently in the Gold tier, I have access to a weekly prize, and each Friday I come to this section, I click Claim Prize to see what I've won. Google Play Points is a great rewards program, giving back points on your purchases to spend on your favourite games. But you can also earn lots of free points by installing games and claiming from the weekly prize. If you're not already registered, go and do it today and start claiming your free points. As a bonus for getting this far, try the Google Opinions Reward app in the Google Play Store. You get given short surveys to complete and earn Google Play credit for your time. Over the last few years, I've earned over £80. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give me a comment down below, a like, a share and a subscribe, do all the usual YouTube stuff, and as always, I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.